While becoming rich depends on a variety of factors, including economic conditions, personal choices, and opportunities, there are certain skills that can increase your chances of financial success. Here are 15 skills that can be beneficial. 1. Financial literacy. Understand the basics of budgeting, investing, and managing money. Learn about different financial instruments and how they work. 2. Entrepreneurship. Develop the ability to identify opportunities, take calculated risks, and create and manage successful businesses. 3. Communication skills. Effective communication is crucial for networking, negotiating, and presenting ideas. This skill can help you build strong professional relationships. 4. Sales skills. Whether you're selling a product, service, or yourself, knowing how to sell is a valuable skill in many aspects of life. 5. Critical thinking. Learn to analyze situations, make informed decisions, and solve problems creatively. 6. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances is vital in a dynamic world. Embrace change and be willing to learn new things. 7. Negotiation skills. Negotiating effectively can save you money, help you secure better deals, and enhance your overall financial position. 8. Time management. Prioritize tasks and manage your time efficiently to maximize productivity and focus on high-impact activities. 9. Networking. Building a strong professional network can open doors to opportunities, partnerships, and valuable connections. 10. Leadership skills. Whether leading a team or managing your own projects, leadership skills are crucial for success. 11. Problem solving. Develop the ability to approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset. 12. Tech savviness. Stay updated on technology trends and tools relevant to your field. Technology can streamline processes and increase efficiency. 13. Emotional intelligence. Understand and manage your emotions as well as those of others. This skill is crucial in building effective relationships. 14. Continuous learning. Stay curious and committed to lifelong learning. Acquiring new skills keeps you relevant in a rapidly changing world. 15. Investing. Learn about different investment vehicles, risk management, and how to make your money work for you over time. Remember, financial success is often a combination of these skills: hard work, perseverance, and a bit of luck. Additionally, ethical behavior and a strong work ethic contribute significantly to long-term success.